Good day, YouTube. So, finally putting a face to the channel really. I've not done anything sort of interactive like this on the channel yet. I'm going to be doing a little like install sort of video of the CAE shifter that I've bought recently, and I was going to do like a full video tutorial sort of thing install on it, but there is, after looking on YouTube, there is a guy, like an Eastern European guy, and he does a really good review. So I'll put his link, I'll add it in, I'll add the link to his YouTube video in the description of this video, so you can, if you want like an in-depth sort of install guide, you can head over to that and watch that. But I'm gonna cut to the car and I'll show you basically just the throw of it, and then a couple of little issues that I've found, not issues, but like little bits of detail that you should know if you're thinking about buying one of these shifters, which you probably are if you've searched for this video. So yeah, my tea's ready anyway, so the oven's beeping. I'll cut to that now, and yeah. So I'm just going to do a little short demonstration, do you know, of the this is the CAE shifter for the Impreza GD. This is all the newage ones, and it's the two-piece housing. You can get a one-piece if you don't have your centre console in, and I think it doesn't have this like sort of bend in there, you know, to clear your centre console. And then I've gone for the black polyurethane shifter knob. It's just personal preference. I think you can get loads of different coloured alloy ones, but and you can also get this in black, anodised black, but I didn't fancy splashing out the extra 160 euros. So anyway, I'll do a few different views of going through the gears to give you an idea of what it's like. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. This is from above. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and lift, reverse. Full side view here. So we've got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. Let's do another quick shot. I think it'd be beneficial. I'm going to go through the box nice and quick, you know, to see how you get an idea of how smooth it is, you know, and how short it is. So yeah, I'll go ahead anyway. Same again, from the back there. Just a little heads up, one thing I did notice was all the grub screws, so all the grub screws in here, they were all tight and thread locked, so they're really difficult to move, you know, from the factory. But if you get the two-part one, not the one-part housing, these 4 bolts here, so 2 there, and if it focuses, 2 on the other side, they were loose from the factory, and I didn't actually know until I'd been driving for about 10 or 15 minutes. So I just whipped them out. They're 5/16 sockets, whipped them out, thread locked them, just put some of that, 1 minute, some Permalock JB Weld, some medium strength thread lock, put that on, nipped them all up, and yeah, jobs are good. And just a little bit of extra bright bonus footage here. There's an adjustment right on the bottom there. There's no instructions, by the way. CAE don't send any instructions, so you just have to figure it out yourself. But yeah, I don't know if I can get a view of that, but there is, yeah, that's better. It's like a little adjuster here, and there's a 4mm, maybe 4 or 5mm Allen head bolt at the back here. there, that one there, and that adjusts the centre position. So it adjusts where this falls, where the spring acts, you know, where it brings it back to the centre like that. So what I like doing in this car is quick, obviously when you're launching it, quick second to third. And when I first fitted it, this bolt was a little bit too far over to the left, so it made the centre position further away. So when you were going from second, trying to hit third quick, it was a little bit too far away, you know, like that distance there was too far away. So I just backed that bolt out, and then moved it over very slightly. Which way did I move it? That way, to the right. So it brings the centre position that way. So then obviously now my second to third is, I don't know if I can get it on, it's a lot closer. So I can get it. I'm not really interested about fourth to fifth, because that's now a little bit further away. But it's not really that relevant to be going quick from fourth to fifth, if that makes sense. Anyway, yeah, that's it.